Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that might seem trivial at first glance, but holds some unexpected twists. The issue at hand revolves around the usage of the address-of operator, specifically questioning whether it can ever return a nullptr. Intriguing, right? Let's explore this problem further. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. As mentioned earlier, there's actually no guarantee that the address-of operator, represented by the ampersand symbol, cannot return a nullptr. It's all about the possibility of overloading this operator, which opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. The snippet provided showcases a clever way to make the address-of operator return nullptr, leading to an unexpected outcome. In summary, we've uncovered a fascinating aspect of C++ that might surprise even seasoned programmers. The address-of operator, while commonly used to retrieve the memory address of a variable, can be manipulated to potentially return a nullptr. It's a reminder of the versatility and intricacies of the language. With that, we wrap up our exploration for today. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Stay curious, and keep coding.